So welcome to another SimplyDiag video down here at the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub in bright and sunny Cheshire. It ain't bright and it ain't sunny, but luckily today I'm wearing the right coat, DPF doctor coat. We've got in the workshop a Peugeot 3008 2021 white with 4 wheels. It's come in for a DPF problem. So we've got it in for our DPF doctor assessment. We're going through the live data. The DPF pressures are a little bit high, everything else looks okay. It's stored fault codes P2002, DPF efficiency, and a U1218 communication fault. So we can communicate with everything on the car. So we're going through the assessment now, checking all the possible reasons why the DPF efficiency might be a bit low. Verified the pressures are actually 16 millibar. Unfortunately for us, the customer has been to his local supermarket and bought some DPF additive and added that to the tank. Now, be very, very careful when you're adding additives from the supermarkets into your diesel. Some of them out there we refer to as fire juice. They're iron based and they significantly raise the temperatures in the exhaust system. On these close coupled DPFs, on the smaller DPFs, on the Peugeots, Citroens and stuff like that, it's very, very dangerous to get those higher temperatures. We end up with thermal damage on the particulate filter, and unfortunately that looks like what's happened here. So yeah, your DPF is a self-cleaning filter. If you imagine your tank is full, you fill your tank up to the top. Once between a full tank and quarter of a tank, you take it on a 25-30 minute road test journey at A road speeds. There's no need to thrash it, there's no need to put additives in it, anything like that. The DPF system is a self-cleaning system and it should take care of itself. If it doesn't and your warning light stays on, please don't start adding supermarket additives. Get it booked into your nearest DPF doctor. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.